Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is why 90% of people fail with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and why 90% of people fail with affiliate marketing. So first of all, you have to be better than most people. You know, there's no real secret and that doesn't come overnight. Your first videos will absolutely suck. Like, that's just the way it is. Your first content, your first blog post, whatever, at first it will suck. But the reason why I say you have to be better than most people is you have to progress all the time. So you have to make way better content. You have to have a way better sales funnel, and if you want to know, how to build a sales funnel, and if you're unsure what software to use, you can team up with my affiliate team, and that way you will be able to create that. And that's not it. You have to progress in every single thing. Be better at copywriting, be better at marketing whatever product that you have, and so many different things, and that takes time. That doesn't happen overnight, but that is something that you really have to concentrate on, because otherwise you'll just fall behind if you're just just laying on what you know already, basically. So you have to learn every single day. That's what I try to do. I learn every single day, and I can guarantee you that anyone that's successful that you look up to, they do the exact same thing. So really learn and learn and learn all the time, and also implement it, because otherwise it's not going to work. Because if you don't implement anything, then learning is not going to get you anywhere. The best way to learn is to actually commit to it and do that. Now the next thing is, kind of ties into it, but the longer you do it, the luckier you'll get. So don't quit too soon. That's basically like everything that I just wrote in my notes. So, if you don't do it for long enough, you won't get very lucky. And, if you just stop because you're not getting any results, which can happen, and I know that a lot of people would do that, but it's not a very good idea at all. Because if you don't get any results and you quit, what will happen? You'll probably get back to your job. So I just had someone ring at my door, but I'm back. So what I was saying, I think I was saying, is you don't want to quit too soon. If you quit too soon, then you won't get any results. You'll go right back to your job, find another job, or not be able to quit your job anyway and just work for 40 odd years. That's not something that you want to do if you're watching this video. Some people will probably want to do this, but I believe if you're watching this video, you don't want to do that. So don't worry about how long it's going to take you. Build that YouTube channel, build that sales funnel, and if you want to do that, I believe I said that in this video, but you can check that in the description and team up with my team to actually start to build a sales funnel. So you really want to do that, because think about it, no matter how long it will take you, maybe it will take you, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, maybe 10 years. But even if it does take you 10 years, think about it. There's no way that you're actually, going to quit your job in the next 10 years. Unless you're already close to it and, but you can still make that extra income. But most of the people that are watching this video are not 60, 70 years old. So, and if you're above that, make sure that you comment, because I don't believe, my analytics tell me that there's no one above that age. So you really don't want to quit like at all. It's not like if you quit too soon. And if things get hard, that's when you're getting closer to like getting results, because as soon as it really gets hard, that's when you actually want to do something. So the next thing is you want to be laser focused on one thing, and I'm talking about a platform. So you don't want to do, and I've said this so many times and I'll keep on saying it because like I believe so many people miss out on that point, but you really want to focus on one point. Like I focus on YouTube, and believe me, I made this mistake before where I built, a YouTube channel, I built a Facebook group, I built an Instagram page, but that's not something that you want to have. Yes, I still have these things, but none of them I really post on. The only thing that I focus on is YouTube. And that's something that you want to do. Maybe you don't want to focus on YouTube. Maybe you want to make a blog instead. But you really, really want to be laser focused on one thing, because otherwise you're just going to get, too thin, and you're going to be all over the place and nothing's going to work. Whether if you put everything in one single way, then like that's when you're going to succeed. Just like, Warren Buffett famously said that put all your eggs in one basket and then look after that basket very, very well. And I believe that's not the exact quote, but that's exactly like that's what he meant. So, just put everything in one basket and just focus on that, because otherwise you're going to have everything all over the place and nothing is going to succeed. Look at like the real big people on YouTube. They focused on one thing. Now they probably have like a huge team of people working for them, so they can post on Instagram and their blog and all sorts of different things. But at the beginning, they all focused on one single thing, and that's, maybe YouTube, maybe your blog. So believe me, it's going to work if you stick to it, and, like you're doing something that people are already making money with. So for instance, building a YouTube channel and, having people that are making money with affiliate marketing, like that already exists. So if you do the exact same thing and you start to really start to make content, create a sales funnel, that's the way that you're going to get to making some money. But you really have to get started, because so many people don't even start. You really need to start. If you don't have a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. If you don't have your first video out, create your first video today, not tomorrow, not next week. Create it today. Find a way to do it. Film it with your webcam, like I'm doing this right now. If you don't have a good microphone, it doesn't really matter. But you really have to put out your first piece of content today. And if your next piece of content tomorrow, or maybe it's just like every other day that you're putting out content, but you really have to do that. And that is how you're going to make money. Like I can guarantee that you're going to make money if you stick to it really, really long and you progress all the time. So I really hope that this video got you really pumped up, that you really enjoyed it. So if you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.